Hi friends. So I'm not even on my bed, I'm just leaning against it. So today I'm gonna do a review on this 12-inch bicolor LED ring light. So I just got it today and I picked it up today at Best Buy. This is where I got it from. I'm sorry about the lighting, I don't have any lighting and stuff like that, so I'm like super excited to pop this bad boy open. So I'm gonna rip out the sticker real quick. So if you guys don't know who I am, hi, my name is Jalila. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I'm not gonna do much on this video. I'm just gonna like pop it open and show you guys what comes with. And yeah, I'm so excited to open this up because I've been needing some lights. I have no lights at all, so now I have to sit and wait for it to be like, you know, I always had to record during the day and try to look for some good lighting, and I know right now the lighting is still not that great, but hey, I hope you guys can somewhat see me. Still need a better camera. There's so much. And yeah, anyways, I'm blabbering, so let's just get it started. I don't know if I need to be in a shot. I probably don't need to be on camera because you guys are probably just only here for this anyways, right? So, and I didn't really make the bed, as you guys can tell. So anyways, like you guys care, let's just pop this open. You guys are probably like, what kind of unboxing is this? Doing it on top of a bed. Well, because I just got home, I'm in my room, so there it is. Alright, I'm so excited. So this is the first thing that came out. I'm guessing that this is the tripod. So, and then it's the second thing I pulled out. I'm just gonna lay it out on the bed right now. This is the instruction manual. So yeah, Sunpak LED 162 video light. Alright, there you go. And then, alright, take this out real quick. So that's everything that's in the box. Let me show you guys. See? Bam, completely empty. Alright, I'm gonna put this down here. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the bag. That's pretty cool. It comes with a bag, a Sunpak bag, pretty decent size, so that if you're not recording, you don't need the light anymore. You can just, my fan is on. You guys probably can hear my fan, huh? Because I realize when I record with my fan on, it's pretty loud because I don't have a mic, but it's pretty obvious. But yeah, this is the bag right here. I'll show you guys real quick. Ah, my box just tipped over. I'm such a hot mess right now. So sorry. So this is how the bag looks like. You guys probably don't even care, right? And then you got two handles that comes with it, and it's a pretty decent size. I don't think you guys care too much about the bag. Decent size, because I wouldn't care. But on to the good stuff. Pull that out of the box. So once you take it out the plastic, this is what it looks like. Oh, love it. It's cute, and look at everything already came attached, so which is good. This is for the phone. As you can see, it does like a little 360, goes all the way around. Awesome. So yeah, I'm super excited because now I'm gonna do my TikTok with good lighting. So if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, you should. Link down below. All I do is dance, well, try to anyways. I love it. I got addicted to it. But and then here's the little attachment right here to the tripod. I know I'm slouching right now, I'm so sorry guys. And then here's the cord right here, and then here's the, here, let me take this off. The cord is actually pretty long. as you guys can see. And then it has the little buttons right here. It's like a little remote for the light. So I'm guessing this is the to God, can I think right now, you guys? Guess for it to go brighter or lower, like num to like the lightest to the brightest. The lightest to the brightest. That did not make sense. From dark to lightest, to brightest. OMG, my mind is all over the place. And I'm guessing that that's for the color, you know, like for blue and for normal tone and bright. That's what I'm guessing. The second buttons for power on off, and this is to lower the brightness. So I'm pretty sure that's what it means. And then you got the, I'm like out of breath, USB little. And one thing I noticed is it doesn't come with the box, you know, the little cable box plug. You have to plug it in to charge it into the wall. So if you have one at home, I'm pretty sure you guys do, you can use your phone or whatever. And the little charger, little box thing, I cannot think right now, you guys. You guys know what I'm talking about, then you know. And yeah, so that is that. Now let's go on to this bad boy right here. Try to move on quick because I don't want you to bore you guys to death, you know what I mean. But this is pretty cool, like in round. I'll just take a look at it real quick. So I'm just so excited to use it. Okay, let's pop this bad boy. Yeah, buddy. And then it goes in a box. Alright, so here goes the tripod. Whoa. So I like this tripod. Really sturdy. It's not plastic. So that is a good thing, because the one I'm using right now is very cheap, and I got it from Walmart for like $15.99, my very first tripod, and it's like broken. I have to tape it up. That's how tacky I am. But hey, if it still works, it still works. You guys don't even know. But anyways, I'm so happy that I got a new one, and it's sturdy, you know. And oh, been over. So you just pop it open like so. Here, I'm gonna break this thing before it even. Let me see. Pretty sure you bend this, right? I'm pretty sure you flip this thing the other way around. Alright, let me pause this real quick. I'm gonna try to see, because I don't want you guys to be here with me when I'm trying to figure this thing out, like to push this thing up, because I'm pretty sure that oh, never mind, I got it. Never mind. So look at, they have 3 little screw right here to adjust, to tighten it, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm not even looking into the camera, but yeah. So it's pretty, as you guys can hear, it's not plastic. And they got 3 little adjustment handle, which is pretty cool actually. So this, ouch. So this actually go pretty high. So here, let's see, let's test this bad boy out. So this is gonna be the first one. Okay, you guys are not gonna be able to see it on my viewfinder or anything, but well, I just want to see how tall it goes. So this is the first. Okay, this is gonna be the second. Woo! And then well, you guys get the gesture, right? Because you don't, honestly don't need it that tall. I'm probably gonna need it only up to like right here. So I honestly just want to let that part go. Anyways, you guys probably just want to see me attach this to the, and you guys probably want to see me plug it in, right? To just see how bright it is. Okay, I'll go back and plug it in real quick, please myself, and then I'll show you guys on how bright it is. I know I kind of dropped it a little bit. Oh, the camera kind of fell down a little bit. The lighting is not so good, but
it holds the phone right too. How's the stand?
The stand is sturdy, but let's turn it on real quick. I just plugged it in. Ooh! So that's, I don't know, is this the brightest? Let me see. I'm going to go up.
Because that looks warm. It doesn't look cool.
That's my partner talking in the background. Sorry, I know it's like super bright, but I want you guys to see the color. So if you guys can see. So yeah, this is the brightest. I'm going to go down. So that's the lowest. That's the brightest. That's the brightest it go. Let's switch colors. That's the blue.
Oh, I like it.
You like the blue?
That's cool.
Oh, the blue's nice, huh?
Mhm.
And then, yep. So, yep, this is the highest. This is the lowest. So, oh. It fell out.
My eyes hurt.
I know.
My eyes.
Okay, let me plug that back in. It literally just fell out. So, I wanted you guys to see that. So, that's how the brightest it go. And I brought my phone just to let you guys know. You can probably put it any direction, and you can put it down, high, low, whatnot, right? And no, this is not for, you can't use this for your camera, or this is mainly just made for phone. But I'm probably going to take this off, and the tripod I have right now, I'm going to take off the top part where I have my camera set on top, and I'm going to probably screw it on here so that I can put my camera on here. You know, well, we'll see. I like to compromise and let, you know, work all angles. But anyways, I want you guys to see how it looks with the phone on. Anyways, so this is how it looks with the phone. Okay, this is just a test. It's my little pop socket that's doing that. I literally just pulled it out, and so there you go. So much better. So with the phone case, it's probably not gonna hold as good, but you can tighten it from the back, you know, to tighten this area right here, and then you can turn it this way, put it higher, lower. I'm excited. I'm gonna do my TikTok tonight, so as you guys can see, it's 6:30 right now in the evening, and it is still hot here in Cali. But yeah, so this is how it looks. Tell me what you guys think. I hope my video wasn't all over the place. I hope I wasn't blabbering and all that stuff, the whole 9 yards, because I do tend to do that. But yep, there you go. Ta-da! So pretty. I know you don't need to see me. That's all you need to see. Okay, let's see. Oops. I want to see how it looks. Oh, look at that. Oh, can you guys see me in there? That looks so good, you guys. I'm not recording or anything. Oh, I keep pulling it out the outlet. But anyways, you guys get the whole point, right? So I hope you guys enjoy it. Tell me what you guys think. So far, it's looking real good. I love it so far. I mean, I have nothing bad to say, to be honest with you, besides that the cord keeps falling out of the outlet. I think I just need a better one, and my outlets suck anyways. But yeah, I like it so far. Everything is good. You guys have any questions, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Remember to smile always, stay safe and healthy, because I know it is crazy out there in the world right now. Make sure to hug all your family and friends and tell them you love them every single day. So I'm super excited. I'm going back home to see my family. I haven't seen them in a few years. So road trip with my sister. You guys are gonna be able to see that video too. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to stick around. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.